So now coming to the next exercise, we have place value, face value, expanded form. Okay. Let us just understand, as we have already know what is place value and face value. Now, write in exercise 3 first sum, write the place value of 3 in the given number. When you observe the given number, which system is this? Indian system, right? Because this is ones period, this is thousands period and lakhs period. So better write the places for each and every digit. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and lakhs. Right? Now which digits place value do we need? We have to know the place value of 3. 3 is in which place? 10,000. So what is the place value of 3 here? 3 into 10,000. 3 into 10,000 is nothing but 30,000, right? So what is the place value of 3 in this number? 30,000, right? Now, for example, here, let us understand what is the place value of 6 here. Okay? Now, this is ones period, this is thousands period, this is lakhs period and this is crores period. Write the these are the periods. Write the places for each and every digit so that you will not go wrong. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. So which digits place value do we need? 6. So 6 is in which place? Crore. So 6 into 1 crore. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 crore has 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 into 1 crore is nothing but 6 crores. So 6 crores is the place value. As the name suggests, value at that particular place, we are just finding it. So it is 6 crores is the place value. Here generally where we go wrong is, if I want to know the place value of 7 here, most of you will write 1000. Whereas this is just a place, it's not its value. When you will get your value, when you multiply the face value and place. So 7 into 1000 you have to write. If you want to know the place value of this, you will have to write 7 into which place? 1000 place. So 7000 is the place value. So please don't get confused between the place value and the face value. Now, let us come to the next. After finishing this bit, please, there is homework also listed in the log. Complete this whole bit as per the homework also and then come to this bit. Now, find the difference. Read the question clearly. Find the difference in the place value of 2 8s in the number 25 crore 73 lakhs 28,128. First write the number. What is the number given here? 25 crore 73 lakh 28,128. Now, difference is nothing but you have to subtract, right? Now, 2 8s. Where are the 2 8s here? Here is 1 8 and here is 1 8. First underline the digits what is given. Which place values you have to subtract. What is the place value of here? 1. Ones. This is tens, hundreds and this is thousands. So what is the place value of 8 here in one's place? 8 into 1. Here you people will, generally children will go wrong as writing 8 into 0. This is one's place. It means 1 is the value. 8 into 1 is 8. And what is the place value of this 8 here? 8 into 1000. So what is it? 8,000. Right? Now find the difference. Greater number minus smaller number. Right? Now write as per the column, arrange in columns and then subtract. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. You have nothing here. So 0, 0, 0. 9 minus 0, 9, 7. So what is the difference of these two place values here? So the answer will be 7,992 is the answer. Hope it is clear. Find the place value of this 2 8s. So find the place value of both the 8s and then difference you have to find, means subtract. In third sum, similarly you have to find the sum of 3 9s place values in the given number. That you will do it in your Class-5 homework. Coming to the fourth, read the question. Find the product Product, when you understand, read the word product, it should strike that you should multiply. Find the product of place value and face value of 7 in the number 33,15,703. Now first write the number 33,15,703. Which place value? Place value and face value of 7. Where is 7 here? Underline that. Now write the place value. What is the place value here? 100. 7 into 100 is 700. And this is the place value. What is the face value? Face value of 7 is 7. Now what we have to find? So here find the product of place value and face value of 7 in the number. They have given a number 33,15,703. Which one we have to find? 7. Underline 7. Place value. What is the place value of 7 here? 7 is in hundreds place. So 7 into 100 is 700. Place value of 7 is 700. And coming to face value, what is face value of 7? Face value of any digit is the digit itself. Okay? So face value of 7 is 7. Now what we have to find? Product of place value and face value. So we have to multiply this both. 700 into 7. If you do it in rough. So 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 sevens are 49. So what will be the answer? 4,900 is the product of both the place value and the face value. Now, next coming to the expanded form. What is meant by the expanded form? It is nothing but the sum of all the digit place values, right? Now, first write the places. When you see this is an Indian system. So write the places of all the digits. Write the places of all the digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Right? Now we have to start writing the expanded form. 2 into 10 crores. Now 2 into, you will get confused sometimes how many zeros I have to write. Right? First write 1. How many? Close the 2. How many zeros are the digits are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 digits. 6, 7, 8. 2 into 10 crores, 20 crores, right? Plus 7 into crore. 7 into, close this 2. How many digits are there after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 1 crore. Similarly, do it for each and every digit. Close the digit, count the number of digits. Close 3 into you will write and count the number of digits after 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 into 10 lakhs plus 5 into lakh plus 1 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So this is how we are just adding up all the digits place values. That is nothing but your expanded form. 2 into 10 lakhs plus 7 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10 lakhs, like that. Please practice thoroughly all the sums in your class book. Finish it. Then we will also give the expanded form and then write the short form. Right? Now, if you observe this, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. So what is this? 10 crores. Okay? And here you see ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. This is 10 lakhs. Right? Now, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. This is 10,000s. This is how much? Hundreds, and this is ones. Right? Now, first write the places from ones to 10 crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Here what is the 10 crores? So 10 crores you will write, is there any crore here? There is no crore. So write 10 crores. In 10 crores place 1 and crores place 0. So this becomes 10 crores. Right? Now here 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs, what is the place here? 4. And do we have any lakhs place here? No. So put 0. Nothing but 40 lakhs. Is it right? Then next comes 10,000. 10,000 we have 2 here, and thousands, is there any thousands like this? 4 into 9 into 1000, nothing like that. So here we will write 0 in thousands place. See? Now in place of 107, is there any tens here? No. So when there is no tens, then we will write 0 there. So here in ones place what we will write? 7. So what is the answer here? And mark the commas without fail. 10 lakhs, 10 crores, 40 lakhs, 20,707. This is how we write the short form of any given expanded form. First mark the places here, and then when you write the places, you can easily write the number. If there is any value, if there is something like 5,000 here, then you will write in place of 1,000, you will write 5. So when there is no thousands place, you will write 0. That is the only difference. When you don't have find any value in that particular place, you will place 0 in that.
Is it introduction?
Now, coming to successor and predecessor. Next exercise 4 is about successor, predecessor, and how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Right? Now, if a number is given, what is meant by successor and predecessor? Successor is nothing but adding 1 to that given number. Number plus 1. What is meant by predecessor? Predecessor is the before number, just before number. So subtract 1 from the number. Now, when it is 91 crore, 81 lakh, 87,999. Write the number 91 crore, 81 lakh, 87,999 plus successor, right? So plus add 1 to it. What will be the answer? 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 is 10. And then 7 plus 1 is 8. And then the same number. So what is the successor of this number? 91 crore, 81 lakh, 88,000. Right? Now, what is meant by predecessor? Predecessor is nothing but you have to just subtract 1 from the given number. You have to subtract 1 from this number. 9 minus 1 is 8. As there are no digits here, it means nothing but zeros, right? So 9 minus 0 is 9, 7 minus 0 7, 8, 1, 8, 1, 9, right? So what is the predecessor of this number? 91 crore, 81 lakh, 87,998. Similarly, what is this number? 19,999. When you add 1 to this number, you will get the successor. What is when you add this 19,000, nothing but you can just skip this. 9 plus 1 is 10. Similarly, 20,000. So 20,000 is the successor of 19,999. And when you subtract, how do you get the predecessor? Subtract 1. 999 minus 1, what is it? 19,998. So successor is always add 1 to the given number, and predecessor is always subtract 1 from the given number. Now, let us just compare the numbers. How do you compare the numbers? By looking at the places, right? Now, when you see the numbers, just check. First check the number of digits. Are the number of digits equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. If this is having 6 digits and if this has 5 digits, then obviously the one which has 6 digits is greater. When the digits are equal, now check this period. From extreme left hand you will check, higher period you will check. First is 9. This is 6. So next go to the, or else you just write the places here. Lakhs, and thousand, hundreds, tens, 1. Now, in lakhs place you have 9, same. In 10,000 place, this period you can check, 99, 99. So this is also same. Now next, let's check the next period, 899, 990. So which is greater in this? This is greater. So obviously this will be the greater number. Now coming to this, same, check the first period. Are the number of digits same? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both are having 6 digits. Check the first higher period, 3, both are 3. Check the second higher period, 75 and 57. So which is greater? 75 is greater. So just check. So from extreme left hand, you will check each and every period and then decide which is higher and which is smaller. Similarly, in ascending order, when it is ascending order, when you see all the period values of the periods are almost same, even you can get confused. So first arrange, check the number of digits. Same formula applies here also. First check the number of digits. All the number of digits are same or not. 2, 4, 6, 9. Here also 9 digits, 9 digits, 9 digits. So all digits are same. So arrange these numbers in as per the places, so that you will not go wrong here. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 11 crore. Next is 11 crore, 21 lakh, 13,145. And the next number is 11 crore, 12 lakh, 31,154. 11 crore, 12 lakh, 31,145. Now, ascending order is nothing but smaller to bigger, right? So, first check which is the smallest number. Now, all the crores period is same. So, next go to the lakhs period. Just check which, this is 12, 21, 12, 12. So, this is greater. So, obviously, this will be your 4 highest number. So, mark it as there are 4 numbers, highest is number 4, right? Now, smallest is 1. Now check, don't do this number now, don't check this number. Now see here, this period, this number and this number, the periods are same. Now go to the next period, that is thousands period, right? 13, 13, 31. So this is greater than these two. So this comes as your third number, right? Now from this two you will check. Now this will be your 13, 13, 31, 31. Okay, this is already done. This will be your, now these two are same period. Okay, now just check these two numbers. So this is the smallest of all. So this will be your first one. Right? Now check these two numbers. 2 and 3 are missing now. Which is the smallest? This is the smallest. So this will be numbered as 2 and this will be numbered as 3. Now as it is ascending order, write the first number here. What is the first number that we have done? 11 crore, 12 lakh, 13,145. Now similarly, what is the second number? You will write it here. What is the third number? You will write it here. And the fourth is nothing but the greatest. You will write it here. Right? So please arrange it as per the places and then go periods wise and check which is greater and which is small. Now let us just see one more example. When you see these numbers, these are international systems, right? Let us arrange these numbers as per the international place values and then arrange them in ascending order. First one is, see, here it is ones, thousands and then millions. In international system, every digit has every period has 3 digits, right? But here we have millions period 2 only. Now just check are the number of digits same or not? You have, yes, all the number of digits are same. Now write see, it is only million and 10 million. So don't write from 100 million, write from 10 million onwards. 98,345,120. So just check, segregate according to the periods and then write it so that we cannot go wrong. Next number is 89,435,120 and here 98,543,120. Now let us go period wise. This is 98, this is 89. Which order is this? This is ascending order. So smaller to bigger. Now is 98 bigger or 89 bigger? 89. So these two will be, we will get the first two smaller numbers from these two numbers. 89. Now check the next period. As both are having 89 million, check the next thousands period. 345, 435. Which is the smallest one? This is. So this will be your number 1. And this will be your number 2. Now compare these two numbers. 98 and 98 is a million period. Now check these two periods. 345, 543. Which is the smallest one? This. So this will go as third and this will be your fourth. Now arrange this 1, 2, 3, 4 as per the ascending order. What is the first one? 89,345,120. Next, second one is 89,435,120. And next is 98,345,120. And last one is 98,543,120. Similarly, we will also do for descending order. We will do it for one bit, and the rest of the bits you will do it as homework in your classwork as per the given law. Now, here also first and foremost thing, when you want to arrange the numbers in ascending or descending order, count the number of digits in each number. Because the one which is smaller, having less digits, will be the smallest one. Now, when you see this, all are having equal number of digits. The next step is arrange these as per the place value of that particular system. This is Indian, so we cannot arrange it in international system. So arrange it in Indian system. So this is crores period. So we are having 61 crore, 82 lakh, 14,270. So just segregate it as per the periods place. Then next 190, 61 crore, 82 lakh, 14,911, 61 crore, 82 lakh, 14,712. Now, when you are looking at the periods, crores period is same, lakhs period is also same. Now, thousands period is also same. So here, now just check the hundreds period here, 2197. And which order is this? Descending order. So greater to smaller. So greater to smaller, greater you will mark it as 1 and smaller you will mark it as 4. Or you will mark it in ascending and then write descending. Anyway, which is comfortable. Now, which is the greatest one? Which is greatest of all? 2, 1, 9, 7, this is. So this you will write first. Now, from these three numbers, which is the greatest? This. 7 is greater than 2 and 1. So this will come under second. This will be third and this will be fourth. Now write the first number here. Descending order 61 crore 82 lakh 14,911. Next comes 61 crore 82 lakh 14,712. Next 61 crore 82 lakh 14,270. Next 61 crore 82 lakh 190. So this is how we arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Make sure you will arrange it column wise so that you will not go wrong anywhere while writing the numbers in ascending and descending order.